we are, and we're going to go to screen sharing. Everything is off here. We're not screen sharing. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Not screen sharing. Users and group. Fine. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is off. We're going to go
Date
to
and time.
date and time. That's locked.
Time zone.
Oh, time zone.
That's okay. It's okay. Wait, let's do this first. So immediately. Yeah. Go to privacy.
Immediately.
Privacy.
Privacy.
Yeah.
That's what we have.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Date and time again.
date and time.
Time zone.
Time zone.
Canada.
Okay,
Okay.
that's what we have. We're gonna go to display. We're showing mirroring.
Yeah. Okay. Got that.
Okay. Network. We have nothing.
Okay.
Okay. What else is there?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna close that, and we're gonna go to.
So now, no, hold on. Now shut down.
Shut down. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna shut down.
Yeah. Okay. Open.
Here's
Okay.
the key.
I can here. No, it's good.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, hang on. So we had no screen sharing there.
Yeah.
That's okay. We
Yeah,
had no
I got
screen
that.
sharing. Okay, so let's double check. Settings. Quickly, no screen sharing. Users,
Nothing.
nothing. Bluetooth, nothing. Network, nothing. Display.
Yeah. Got
Okay,
that.
we're good. All right. So then we're going to close that. We're going to go to,
QuickTime.
yeah?
QuickTime.
Yes. Applications. We're going to go to QuickTime. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to New Screen Recording.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
And now we're going to
Shut it down.
close. Nothing is, see, nothing is connected.
Okay. Go ahead.
And voila, here we go. Magic. Magic.
That's it.
That's it. That's all we need. Okay.